Guys, I finally found an AI tool meant for UGC creators. For those of you wondering what UGC is, it is user generated content. You see this kind of video you're watching on my screen. If you've been wondering how you can do it with AI, then this particular platform is for you. Businesses spend hundreds and sometimes thousands on UGC creators. If you're a business owner, you need this platform so you don't need to outsource anymore. And if you are thinking of going into a business with AI, then this particular app might be the game changer for you. Today, I'm going to show you how this particular tool can transform a single photo into a realistic UGC style advertisement. All you need to do is to create your image or upload your image, add your product or the product URL, do your script, and then the AI creates a talking video that looks ready for your TikTok, Instagram, or any of your other accounts. So without wasting more time, guys, let me show you what this tool does. So guys, this is how the platform looks like. The platform is called UGC Video AI, and this is how the home page looks like. All you need to do is to sign up with your email and then you are good to go. Now, the first thing you need to do when you're starting on this platform is to create your AI influencer or your AI character or your avatar that would be the one in your AI videos and AI ads and AI images. So you're going to come to this left hand side and you're going to click on UGC character. Now, when you click on UGC characters, all you need to do is to decide where you're starting from. You can decide to build your character from scratch, do your influencer from scratch, describe it and then build it, or you can start with an AI image reference that you already have. I have an AI image reference already, so I'm just going to use that to get started. So I'm going to click on start from an image and then I'm going to click on upload a reference and I'll pick the avatar ref that I already created. Now, once you attach your AI reference, you can then give it a name. So let me just give it a random name. I'll give it Zara as the name. And then after I put on, so you can see my reference image as uploaded. After I put the name there, if you have additional reference image like maybe her side view, back view and all of that, you can add it to the video. After I do that, then you can now give like a background story about what your AI avatar does or who she is and all of that. So I'm just going to put she is 25 years old, a social media UGC content creator with over 100,000 followers. So something like this, and then you can decide to pick which particular one image model you want to use. I'll use GPT image 2 because that's currently my favorite, honestly. And then I'm going to click on generate, and so this is going to then create my character that I can then be using whenever I want to do my UGC ad video or I want to create my UGC image. So guys, it basically redid the video. I can set to put her in whichever way I want to. I can set to download it if I want to, or I can just use it. So now that our image is created, it's going to be under our assets. Now to create our UGC ad video, all we need to do is to go to our left hand side again and then click on UGC ad video. Once you're here, you can upload your product reference, upload the influencer, and then describe what is going to happen, which is what we are going to do now. So guys, in order to make our video flawless, we are going to first get a script from ChatGPT in order to create something really nice. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to attach the image of the product that I got. I got a simple product like a supplement that we can use, and then I'm just going to tell ChatGPT about the product and then tell it to create a script for me. So I gave it something very simple. I just said, hey chat, I want to create a UGC style ad with the attached image. Can you help me draft out a script? So I basically want an action script for the video, like a model holding the bottle and what to say, so something like that. And then we're going to prompt, and then we're going to see what ChatGPT is going to give us. So guys, ChatGPT gave me a prompt, but I felt it was too long, and so I told it to make it short into 15 seconds and something I can easily copy, and then it did this. So this is what I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to take it to our platform, that's UGC AI. So now that we're here, we're going to upload the product image. So I'm just going to click on upload image, and then I'm going to click on the image that I already saved that I used to get script from ChatGPT. And then alternatively, you can just click on this fetch URL, and then you can attach the URL to the place that the product is being sold, and it would also do the work. So now I'm going to also add my influencer. I'm going to use the image that we created, and then after that I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to paste my prompts. So I'm going to just leave it at this and then see what we get. So now that this is out of the way, you can pick the ratio of your video, and then you can decide to add a voice if you want a specific voice. So I'm just going to click on add voice, and then I'm just going to go through them, and then I'm going to pick one. So guys, I finally found a voice that I would like to use. I'm using Kimber, and so everything is done, and we're going to just click on generate, and then we're going to see what it would give us. So guys, it's done generating.
I've been trying to take better care of my hair, skin, and nails, and this Biotin Plus with zinc and selenium has become part of my daily routine.
So
it's vegan, high strength, and super easy to take every day. If you're looking for a simple wellness supplement to add to your routine, definitely check this one out.
This is really nice, guys. So guys, I did another version of the ad. Just take a look at this.
Want healthier hair, stronger nails, and glowing skin? You have to see what I've been taking. This is Biotin Plus with zinc and selenium,
guys. This is
packed with
so
everything
good.
your body needs.
So if you're trying to do anything UGC and all the video already done for you, then yeah, this is your platform. Now, another part of this particular app that I like that you would love to also explore is the UGC image. This is where we do the AI images for UGC. So I'm just going to click on my character, and then all you have to do is to pick a model that you like. After I pick a model that you like, you can then pick your product. So I'm just going to use a perfume image because I feel that would make more sense since we've already used the other one. So I'm just going to use this, and then I would attach it, and then I'll click on save once it's done loading. So there it is, and then all we need to do is to put our prompt. So guys, I put my prompt, something very simple, and then I make sure to specify who the influencer is and who the model is so they know the actions to take. And then I'm just going to put variation on 2, and I'm going to generate. And another amazing thing I like about this platform is the fact that it works based on credit, but it makes the credit so affordable to use. Like compared to other platforms, this is really good and affordable. And guys, take a look at this with what I gave it. Just see, look at how realistic that looks like. This is simply mind-blowing. I love it. And then the amazing thing is you can easily just tap on it, and then you can decide to create like a UGC video, a UGC ad, or whichever one. Let's try the UGC ad video this time around, and then I can just see what she wants to say. So I'm just going to type out something very simple. So guys, I just told it to do something simple. She says in a Black British accent, if you have been looking for a scent that lasts, this is for you. This will make the girls keep asking what scent. And I said UGC style video. Now look at this, guys. This is powered by Kling 3.0, Sedans 2.0, and Sedans 2.0 fast. This is so good. And then the good thing is you can add the sound if you want, and then you can pick the duration of the video, pick which quality, and pick the aspect ratio. That is so good, guys. So let us generate it and then see what we are going to get. So guys, our video is done generating. Take a look at this, guys.
You have been looking for a scent that lasts. This is for you. This will make the girls keep asking what scent.
This is so good, guys. Just look at how realistic that looks like. And so guys, another thing that you can do again is to actually attach your influencer or your avatar and the product image. So click on add character. I added my character and then I uploaded my reference image. I then put a prompt of what I want to do. You notice that each place for where I want her to do something, I make sure I put her name or attach it by simply clicking at. If you just write at, so let me show you what I mean. If I just write at, it's going to bring them up and then you can pick whichever one you're referring to in your script. So that way it follows your script exactly and then you generate. When I did it, this is
the last thing I do before leaving the house, a few sprays of this. It smells luxurious, feels so feminine, and instantly makes me feel more confident. Trust me, this perfume deserves a spot in your collection.
Guys, this is so cool. So I'm telling you, if you're looking for something to go into, or if you've been struggling with your UGC ads, then this particular platform you need to try. So guys, that is how to use UGC Video AI. And the amazing thing about this particular platform is that it gives you 30 free credits when you sign up newly. And then after completing your first task generation, that is after you start creating your first content on it, it gives you an additional 30 bonus credits. Tell me which other platform does that. This is really, really mind-blowing. If you would love to get started on UGC Video AI, just go to the description. The link is there, or comment AI and I'll share you the link in the comments.